The Toy Story movies are loved by both children and adults. The characters such as Buzz Lightyear and Woody are among the most beloved characters from these animated films. Children enjoy playing with Toy Story figures and collectibles, but they absolutely love role-play gear that they can use to enact their favorite scenes from the movies. If you want to buy a Toy Story costume to gift to a child, then you will love the product we are reviewing today. So sit tight while we take a look at the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more amazing toys from Next Toy Review. Toward the end of the video, we'll point you to the best prices for this and other similar products. Now, let's take a look at the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack. Product and details. For the little fans of Buzz Lightyear, the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack is the perfect gift. It is not only a true replica of the helmet and gear from the movies, it also has some cool features such as sound effects and buttons that actually work. But the jetpack that accompanies this armor makes it even more special. Let's take a look at some of the specifications. The helmet and jetpack weigh over 3 ounces. The armor gear is big enough for children under 10. The visor of the helmet can be activated by a button on its side. The helmet opens and shuts with sound effects. The buttons on the helmet can produce different light and sound effects, including popular phrases from the film. The armor gear also features replica of the Buzz Lightyear disc blaster and wrist communicator that the character from the Toy Story movies use. This armor has adjustable straps to fit the children. It also has padding inside. The Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack is recommended for ages 5 and above. This Buzz Lightyear armor gear has some amazing features that can help your child embark on adventures with their friends. This role-play armor gear comes with the sound and light effects that can make any kid feel like they are an intergalactic hero.
I am Buzz
Reviews. The Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack has received a total rating of 4.3 out of 5. While this Buzz Lightyear armor is a cool toy with great features that older children will love, but it can be extremely heavy and uncomfortable for younger children. It also lacks soft insulation under shoulder pads that can make it easy to wear. We at Next Toy Review will give this a total rating of 4.2 out of 5. Let's take a look at what people are saying about the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack. While a majority of reviews were positive, some parents felt that it was a dangerous toy for children. A parent gave it a 1 star and mentioned, "I thought the discs would be soft foam. They aren't. They are hard plastic and come out with force." Some other buyers gave it mixed reviews, saying while the children loved this Buzz Lightyear armor, it was not very comfortable. One mother gave it a 3-star review and commented that her son enjoyed playing with this armor, but she also mentioned, "He complains that it hurts his shoulders, his chest, and back. So we have had to put hand towels in all those areas that hurt." Despite these issues, over 60% of buyers gave it full-star reviews and left great feedback. Most parents said their children love the armor and the jetpack that comes along with it. The Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack is a cool toy that can make any kid happy. However, there may be some problems in the fit. If you and your child can look past that, then do get this great armor for an adventure to infinity and beyond. If your child is a fan of Toy Story and wants to dress up as Buzz Lightyear, then this armor is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to check out the link to the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Armour with Jetpack below for the best deals available. We also have links below to similar product reviews if you want to explore some other options. That's all for now.